One of the things my clients are constantly telling me and voicing frustration about is that they feel like they have no control over what it is that's going on in their case. They have no control over when their cases are set for trial. They have no control over sort of the pace of the litigation, how things sort of go on pause for a long period of time and then suddenly accelerate, and they don't have any control over the speed at which they accelerate. That's a really frustrating thing and something that for a lot of people can make them feel very hopeless in the process. Lawyers a lot of times are very fearful of using the right to a statutory speedy trial. And you need to recognize that statutory speedy trial demands, in a lot of ways, allow you to exercise some degree of control over your case. No, you can't control when the judge will call your case in, but it does allow you to actually create some pace there, to say to the state, we're not going to let you control the pace of this litigation. We're actually going to push the issue. We're going to force you to go to trial in a period of time that may actually be uncomfortable to them. That's something that they're not used to at all. In a lot of ways, that sort of change of pace can be a tremendous advantage to you, particularly if you're in a jurisdiction like Fulton or in Cobb, where you have relatively short terms of court, and they're not anticipating that you might file a statutory speedy trial demand, for example, in a vehicle homicide case. So you can move things along in a way that they are unused to, in a way that might give you a very real strategic advantage. So think about that. In addition to that, the idea of actually getting closure sooner rather than later for a lot of my clients is something that they would absolutely welcome. No one welcomes the idea of having a case hanging over their heads for 2, 3, 4 years, and that's not at all uncommon for defendants in a vehicle homicide case in Fulton County to have that sort of anxiety, that sort of stress hanging out over their heads for that period of time. So certainly that's another reason why it is you should consider that option. Don't take that tool off the table in your case without really giving it some thought. Lawyers should certainly be less scared of using it because it is in fact a tool and one that can be extremely powerful if you're using it in the right way. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My name is Ben Sessions. My phone number is 470-225-7710. Again, 470-225-7710. My name again is Ben Sessions. Thank you.